I've been in the demolition industry for 21 years now. On average, we'll do 10 to 20, sometimes 25 structures a year. So personally, I'm in the 400 to 500 structure range. Yeah, GSD was more than capable of running this job. They have the labor force, the equipment force, and all of the local connections to get the job done. Anything that we needed was here before we got here, and the preparations were done ahead of time. So we showed up on site, went right to work. There was no delays or holdbacks. We arrived on site Tuesday for training. We had explosives on site Wednesday. We had the structure loaded by Thursday. We wired it Friday and we shot it this morning. So quick. For the MP1 building here, we used 86 linear shape charges. Each cut point has 2, so just divide that by 2 and you get your number of placement locations. We only worked on the ground floor and the 3rd floor due to the fact it was only about 10 stories tall, but that was enough to bring the building down. GSD, without a doubt, is one of the better clients that I've worked with in a long time. Very professional, very safe, very honest and upfront. Communication's easy. Good group of guys, just a pleasure to work with.